Welcome to this important video of Python. In this video, we are going to develop a calculator in Python. This is very simple calculator. However, we will develop an advanced calculator using graphical user interface in upcoming lectures as well. But what we have learned so far, that is called a simple calculator, which can perform addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. These four operations, and we are using decision making expressions, which are also called conditional statements, and arithmetic operators, which are plus, minus, multiply, divide, to make this calculator. This is very simple, and this video is for the practice of those who want to learn and practice so many examples in Python programming. So let us move to our Python software, which is an integrated developing environment where we are going to make the calculator. This is, however, you can use any software. It is up to you. It is not limited that you can only use one software. Every software uses Python language, which are developing environments of Python, so you can use any of these. So first of all, we will ask the user to enter the first number. Okay, input, I will assign here that enter first number, and next I will ask the user to enter the second number as well. Okay, enter second number. Okay, next I will ask the user to give the choice. Enter input, enter the choice of operation. Okay, we can add here hint: 1 for addition, 2 for subtraction, 3 for multiplication, and 4 for division. This is so simple. So we can use here if conditions. If x is equal to 1, then we will use here one condition. What will we do? We will simple add the result r is equal to a1 plus a2, and we will print here the sum is, and r variable is storing the sum. Okay. Otherwise, on the other hand, if we are going to perform subtraction, if we have already chosen 2 digit, then it will subtract the two numbers, and we will show that the subtraction result is, and we will again display here a variable which is r. Next, we will again choose if x is equal to 3, then it will simple multiply, and what will we do? We will write here as print the multiplication result is, and I will write here as r. Okay, last is if the user has chosen x is equal to 4, then what will we do? If x is equal to 4, then we can choose here r is equal to a1 divided by a2, and we will print here the division result is, and what will we see? We will see here r. And final is if the number is none of 1, 2, 3, 4, then we can see here you have entered invalid number. Okay, let me run this and confirm this is a short calculator. I will run this code, and you can see here the compiler has asked me to enter the first number. I have entered 5. Second number, I have entered 6. Now he has asked me to enter the choice of operation: 1 for addition, 2 for subtraction, 3 for multiplication. Let me choose 4, which is for division. So he will simply divide the numbers. Okay, let me run this code again to show you how does it work. I will choose the number 5. second number as 99, enter the choice of operation. If I choose here 3, then only 3 part will be executed and the multiplication result is shown. In this way you can make your calculator more complicated. This was just for you to give the idea that how does it work. Thank you so much. That was all for this lecture. Please leave your valuable feedback in the form of comments. And how was this video? Was this helpful for you or not? Thank you.